Jeez.
Control your shit, fool!
Oh, fuck! Fuck!
T, don't get mad. It's been a little shit. Now, I had nothing to do with it, just so you...
Spit it out.
Brendan hit calmly again.
He what?
And, the driver, you know...
No, I don't know.
I don't know, he caught some friendly fire or something, and, he's gone.
Fuck! You boys, I'll tell you.
Just so long as you realize I had nothing to do with this, Tone.
Tone, that's true. He stood home.
Shut up. Did you do anything to stop it? Did you offer any guidance? What do we mean when we say leadership?
What are we gonna do?
What you're gonna do is you're gonna take these suits, you're gonna put them back in the truck, you're gonna go over to Conley's main yard, and you're gonna give them back.
What about the dead guy?
Now you keep prodding them with a stick. You light a candle to St. Anthony. But I think you're fucked.